How many times have we all been to networking events and people talk about themselves and they get the card out? It's so off-putting.
Joanna Scott-Aspray is the Cheshire Business Connector, the unstoppable force behind the Cheshire Club, one of the region's fastest growing and most influential business networks. Do you believe that old saying then, your network is your net worth, is that right?
Absolutely 100%. But I think the biggest thing that people need to realise is they've got to be in the right rooms.
Joanna has helped countless entrepreneurs to scale, succeed and get seen while navigating her own personal challenges. Did you ever feel like you wouldn't be able to carry on with the business?
Absolutely. I was struggling at one point and I just didn't know what to do.
I'm Nicola Sands, and in this episode of Success Means Business, Joanna gets real about what it takes to grow your business, make connections, and the do's and don'ts of networking.